Alright, so hello Sir Leo and Mayin. This is just for you guys. So this video is just intentionally for you para sa Rock Baby Rock na part. Okay, so Rock Baby Rock, it's a mix, pero I will let the medyo oldies do this. So napaka-simple lang ng steps na to. Okay? But it doesn't mean that you can't dance sa ibang dances, ha? You are still part of other dances. Isisingit-singit ko lang. But you can't just really have to dance the next part of the dance. Okay? So here, this is the Rock Baby Rock na choreography. Okay? So imagine lang na may guitar. Okay? So this is the guitar. So kunwari, so ang una lang is paglabas ng magsayawan. Okay? Paglabas ng magsayawan, papasok ang mga oldies or yung grupo ng Rock Baby Rock. Paglabas, automatic agad siya. Ito ang figure. So, 1, 2, up, and 1, 2, up. 5, 6, 7, and rock, baby. So, bang, rock, baby, rock, and bang, and the tak, 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 tak. Okay, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, down, up, cambot, and rock, up, and rock, up, and down, cambot, sorry. So yan yung first part, okay? Tapos, yeah. So, tignan nyo. So basically, after talaga siya na magsayawan na part, okay? Down, up, and down, up, cambot. Tag. Slow, tag. Again. Apat na beses pala. Atras pala. Tawan atras. Basic. Ikot. Last two. And everybody. Again. Up and down. Up. Rock. Basta sunod-sunod ito may choreography. Hanggang doon lang siya. Okay? Lalabas na si... So hanggang doon lang siya kasi lalabas na si Buchikek na part. Okay? So yun lang. Thank you very much. Yun lang yung ituturo nyo sa kanila.